Good evening, family, and happy Friday to every single one of you guys. Hopefully you guys had a blessed day today, guys. Most importantly, hopefully you guys had a safe day, guys, wherever you're chilling at in this magnificent, beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy, I'm a G, coming at you guys to let you know what's going on in developing Doge and overall crypto news. I'll let you know what's going on in the Wild Wild West, baby, on this channel. I like to keep my viewers and subscribers up on current events, because if you ain't up on current events, you're gonna get left behind, baby. And I am trying to catch that choo-choo train to $1 million. I'm trying to become a crypto millionaire, guys, here hopefully sooner than later, and I hope my viewers and subscribers do as well. None of this is financial advice, guys. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions on YouTube. Nothing more, nothing less. So never take it as financial advice. We're gonna get into a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now, if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's do it. All right, guys. Good old Bitcoin is sitting at 47,748 with 36 cents. It is up 7.46% for the day. Not too bad, huh? Bitcoin is doing its thing, baby, regardless of the whole crypto tax and the infrastructure bill. You know what I mean? That's been the talk of the town for about a week now. You know what I'm saying? But Bitcoin is pushing through it like a Mack truck. You know what I mean? It's still like, get out of my way. And Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin does. And that's good, right? Because it's bringing the overall markets up with them as well. All right, enough of good old Bitcoin. Let's dive right into the main superstar of this channel. That's Dogecoin, baby. All right, guys. We're currently sitting at 28 cents, guys. We are up 8% for the day. We had a 24-hour low of 26 cents and a 24-hour high of 0.2872, right? We're just a couple cents shy, because right now we're at 0.2867, so we're like 4 cents shy of that 24-hour high. Not too bad, guys. We're close to testing that level of resistance. We'll get into resistance and support here in a minute. All right, guys. Now our market cap is sitting at 37.50 billion. That is up just a little bit, guys. Yesterday we were at 34, and now we're at 37, so that's looking good. Although our volume, right, in the last 24 hours is down. Yesterday we were at 5 billion, and today we're at 3.56, right? So it is what it is, right, guys? But things are looking good. But there could be more volatility on the weekend. It usually tends to be, right, guys? A little less volume, right? But nonetheless, the volume is sitting at 3, so it's looking okay, right, guys? Better than sitting at 1 or 2, right? All right, enough of the stats. Let's briefly look at the charts real quick, and then we'll get into some fundamentals here. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today, guys. All right, hold on here. All right, guys. So obviously this chart here is a daily. I like to look at the daily chart, guys, when I bust out the chart. All right, guys. So obviously we have red lines. Okay, we'll start with support. The bottom line is the 50-day moving average. Okay, and that is our level of support, and that is at 22 cents, guys. That used to be our level of resistance, guys, but we busted past that, and we flipped the trend and made it our level of support. That is at 22 cents. Now the red line on top, guys, that is the 100-day moving average, and that is our current level of resistance, and that is sitting at 0.2957. Okay, guys, in my opinion, that is 30 cents. Okay, it is, if you want to be technical, it is 0.2957. We've almost tested it 2 different times already, guys, right? Yesterday and yesterday and the day before, we almost hit it. Not quite, guys, but we're getting closer and closer to testing that resistance. Once we bust past that resistance, guys, it's off to the races, baby. You know what I mean? But Doge is doing good, baby. Doge has been consolidating in a pretty tight pattern for these past, what, about a good week now, guys. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, ever since we busted out 7 days ago, right, on this big green candle here. Ever since then, guys, you know what I mean, we've been kind of trading in a tight range. It's consolidating, getting prime, and getting ready to blast off to the moon, just like we did from the 20 cents up to 28 cents, right, guys, in like 1 day. So things are looking good as far as technical goes, right? We have a bull flag pattern. Okay, we'll talk about that here in a second, but this is what I just wanted to show you guys on the chart real quick. All right, nothing's really changed on the resistance and support, right? It's still the same. 50-day is at 22, support and resistance 100-day at 30 cents, right? I just like to show you guys the charts all the time. Keep it simple, beginner friendly. All right, now let's get into some fundamentals here, okay, guys? Now, this is out of Benzinga, and it says Dogecoin barks at resistance as Bitcoin breaks bull. All right. It says late Thursday night, Dallas Mavericks owner and Shark Tank host Mark Cuban said on Twitter, fans fans of the basketball team would receive special pricing for merchandise and upcoming sales if paying with Dogecoin. He has been a vocal advocate for the cryptocurrency, along with Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. It goes on to say, Cuban's tweet was well received by prominents in the Dogecoin community, including the crypto's co-creator Billy Marcus, who responded to thank Cuban for the support. When companies choose to accept crypto as a payment for goods or services, it adds utility, which in turn makes it more valid. Exactly, guys. You know what I mean? And a lot of haters like to say that Dogecoin has no utility and so on and so forth. Guys, there is over, I think it's 1,661 companies now that accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. It was 1,400, but now it's 1,661, guys. From entertainment to travel to restaurants. I mean, the list is huge, guys. The point I'm making is the list continues to grow and grow for companies that are accepting it as a form of payment. Now, if it had no utility, then why are these companies accepting it as a form of payment? You know what I mean? All right. So it says on August 10th, Bezega called out a bull flag pattern on Dogecoin's chart, and on August 11th, the crypto broke out bullishly from the pattern. On Friday, Bitcoin looked to be breaking up from a bull flag pattern created between August 4th and August 12th, which may in turn give Dogecoin a boost. Because basically, guys, when Bitcoin goes up, Dogecoin goes up as well. It's kind of connected at the hip with Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Dogecoin kind of correlates with it. It's just the way it is, guys. It says the Dogecoin chart, after breaking bullishly from the pattern, Dogecoin has consolidated in a sideways pattern stuck under resistance near the 28-cent mark. Dogecoin has tried to break up through the overhead resistance every day for the past 3 days, but has run into sellers who have dropped the crypto back down under support. All right, guys, every time we get close to that resistance, right, guys, when we get close to that 100-day moving average, which is resistance, the freaking bears keep putting pressure, right, selling pressure, and keep rejecting us, right, guys? But the more and more, every time you get close to testing resistance and you test resistance, it gets weaker and weaker each time. It says the sideways consolidation has helped Dogecoin to cool off its RSI index, which reached over 70% on August 7th. On Friday afternoon, the crypto was nearing the 70% mark again. However, when a stock or crypto's RSI measures in at over 70, is considered to be overbought territory, which can be a sell signal for technical traders. On Friday, Dogecoin was printing a bullish Morobuzu candlestick, which indicates higher price may come over the weekend. If the crypto can close the day near the 28-cent level, Dogecoin's Morobuzu candle is also within Thursday's trading range, which creates a bullish inside bar pattern. Guys, we've had a lot of bullish technicals for like the past couple weeks now for Doge. Doge is prime, man. Doge is getting ready for a major breakout, guys, to the upside, and I know it. I called it last time. I said, I'll check all my other videos. I kept saying we're trading in a tight pattern, we're in a tight range, consolidating, and we're getting ready for a prime breakout to the upside. And sure enough, we broke to the upside from 20 to 28 cents. If you don't believe me that I called it, check my videos. You can take my word for it. It says Dogecoin is trading above the 8-day and 21-day exponential moving average. The EMAs with the 8-day EMA trading above the 21-day, both of which are bullish indicators. Dogecoin is also trading over 30% above the 200-day SMA, which indicates overall sentiment in the crypto is bullish. Bulls want to see a big bullish volume come into Dogecoin to drive it up closer to the 28-cent mark. If Dogecoin can regain the levels that support, it has room to move up to 31 cents. Bears want to see Dogecoin continue to reject the overhead resistance and for big bearish volume to come in and drop the crypto down below the support at the 8-day EMA. If Dogecoin loses the level of support, it could revisit support at 23 cents. Below that, there is another support level at the 20-cent level. All right, guys, me personally, I think the 50-day moving average at 22 cents is your level of support, guys. They're saying otherwise, right? But you see, there's the bull flag patterns that they were talking about. All right, there. All right, guys. Now let's get into some more info. Man, that sun is bright and shining right behind me. My bad, guys. All right, guys. Now let's get into some more news here. It says Dogecoin still headed for $1. Ethereum for 14,000. Crypto entrepreneur David Gotchitson thinks that it's going for $1. We're just going to dive into the Doge part, not the Ethereum part. It says Dave Gotchitson, a cryptocurrency investor, entrepreneur, and CEO of crypto media firm Pack Protocol shared some ambitious price targets for Dogecoin. What happened? It says, according to a Monday Business Insider report, Gotcha confirmed his previous Dogecoin price prediction of $1, baby. By the end of the year, I truly believe we'll make it there, guys. According to him, the price will surpass $8 since he views it as a gateway to the crypto market for newbies before they transition to other cryptocurrencies. Gotcha explained that he believes Dogecoin will reach such a price just because people put value on things, and if people deem something to be worth something, it'll get there. But not just that, got a lot of millennials, guys, a lot of people that trade on Robinhood. They, you know what I mean? They like Dogecoin, and I truly believe Dogecoin will hit $1, right? Not just because of that, guys, but we have a lot of bullish technicals going for us right now. We have a lot of fundamentals going as well for it, right? And we're working on faster transaction speeds that are in the works already, and cheaper transaction speeds, right, guys? It says he also noted that he does not believe that promotion by tech tycoon Elon Musk will be the only reason for it growing in value, since retail-focused exchange Robinhood and the meme economy helped it a lot as well. I agree as well, guys. Like, look, we've had nothing but organic growth these past week. We haven't had Elon Doge Father come out and pump the price up. You know, I'm granted, you know, he's a Doge Father and we like him and we like when he helps it. But this goes to prove, guys, that Doge does not need him to pump the price, and he isn't the only reason why Doge goes up. And that's very important to know, or to see rather. It says, talking about Ether. Okay, all right. Now, yeah, we're not going to talk about the Ether. I just wanted to point out the Doge article stuff for you guys. All right, guys. Now I got one more article that I wanted to close out on. Right? Oh no, here we go. I don't want to close out. I got two more articles. My bad, guys. How much time we got in? Oh, man. It says Mark Cuban says Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. All right, we're going to close out with this article, guys. It says, since starting to accept Dogecoin as payment for merchandise in March, the Dallas Mavericks organization has seen substantial sales made with the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, according to the owner, Mark Cuban. In an effort to continue this push, Mark Cuban announced Thursday that the organization will offer special pricing for those paying with Dogecoin during the Mavericks summer sale. Though Dogecoin was created as a joke and its creators never intended for the token to be seriously, it says Cuban says it has a unique use case over other cryptos. He says it's a medium that can be used for the acquisitions of goods and services. Cuban tells CNBC, make it. He says the community for Doge is strongest when it comes to using it as a medium of exchange. In April, Cuban tweeted that Dogecoin is the one coin that people actually use for transactions, though he has previously said that Ether is used as digital currency too. All right, guys. Now, this is pretty much what I had for you guys. You know what I mean? Hopefully it was... Oh, actually, one more thing, guys. I know I already talked about this, guys. I just wanted... Man, this is huge, guys. This is going to be huge. Right, I'm closing out with this one here. Thank you if you're still with me till the end. All right, come on, where you at? Now, it's talking about the game right here, guys, right? This is huge, guys. I'm trying to pound this into your guys' brain. It says augmentation reality-based DOGEMON Go mobile game allows players to earn Dogecoin. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to read, right? Just, guys, this is huge, man. I'm telling you, the AR business, guys, is huge, guys. It's huge. I gave you the statistics yesterday, right, guys? Just for 2020 alone, it was at 17.67 billion, right? In 2021, by the end of this year, the AR market will be at 26.75 billion, guys, and by the end of 2028, it'll be at 340.16 billion is what they're predicting. 340 billion dollars, guys, within the next 5 years. Next 7 years. In the next 7 years. That is huge, guys. And Dogecoin is getting its feet wet. And this is huge, a huge catalyst for Dogecoin. Anyways, I'm happy and excited about this game. This is your boy Jaime G coming at you on Friday. Hopefully you guys have a blessed day, guys. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Until tomorrow, your boy will drop another video tomorrow. Peace.